Happy greetings and welcome back to Live It Not Diet TV. My name is Raquel. If this is your first time here, I'm glad to have you. On Live It Not Diet TV, the priority is to be a community that educates and supports the new vegans by providing easy and nutritious meals. And with each dish, I highlight an ingredient and offer detailed info on it. I also offer did you knows and FYIs. Today, I'll be making a drink. This recipe I got from Yardie Belly TV.
Yardie Belly TV.
The title of the video on YouTube is Traditional Jamaican Pineapple Ginger Drink with Turmeric. It's about time to make the delicious traditional Jamaican pineapple ginger drink with turmeric. I'm so excited! But before I start the drink, I have a little tip I'm just going to throw in there too, so you can be able to pick when you go to the grocery store. You can tell which grapefruit is the ripest and when it's ready and so forth and so on. If you're going to use a grapefruit like that day, you want to be able to know and have the skill to pick it out. And the reason why I'm actually doing this is because as I was going through my ritual with the plan to do this video, I was going through these steps and it was a lady that was observing me and she was like, well, what are you doing? Why are you doing X, Y, and Z? So I gave her the breakdown on the process and steps I take to know which one I'm picking. So if I'm gonna actually be doing something with a pineapple in maybe 2 or 3 days, I may pick it and it not be all the way at that point. But if I know that I'm gonna use it that day, I have to pick that ripe, that one that's ready to go that day. And here are the techniques. This is a gift from me to you. The first thing that I look for in the batch is the color. I want that color to be yellow, not green, as yellow as it can be. Now, if I'm going to use it in a few days, I may take a greener color. But yellow, when you want it to be right. What is the second backup step? The next backup step is this. Man, you can smell that pineapple when it's ripe. Literally at the bottom. Do the comparison between one that is not ripe and one that is yellow, one that is very green. You can smell. Man, that pineapple is really powerful. And the last backup, just to make sure, in case they run a little trick game on you somehow. I'm not saying that that's what they do at the store, but I'm just saying. Your last thing is you can go to these here, and you should be able to do something like this. And if that comes out easy, she is ready to go. Well, anyway, that's my second tip and all that information. I hope you appreciate it and can use it. I think it's about time that we actually go ahead and make this thing. And plus, I got a surprise. It's really actually going to be 2 things I make. And I'm going to start with his drink. Let's get it.